it's Patricia from the Southwest Yankee. What some middle-aged women will do. Crows, Georgia turtle doves, and gurkles. Light moment. God said, let the waters teem with living creatures. Let the birds fly above the earth in the vault of the sky. Genesis 1:20. So this is going to be more of an interactive, and I'm going to have videos of the sounds of them. So let me get my trusty iPad and we can listen. So let me look this up. Okay, so I said crows first, right? So we're gonna listen to the crows. 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 What did I do with the crows? Oops, crows. Oh no, what did I do with the crows? Okay, here are the crows.
You don't need a waffle maker, but...
Okay, well, maybe listen. Here we go. Let's listen to the crow sound when it happens. Here we go. I'm being a little shy. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so that is the noise I grew up with in the Northeast. So now, let's do one of the birds that I hear a lot of down here. This is the That's a beautiful bird. Okay, now, oh, the crows are awesome too. Now, let's go to, you know it, you know it. Okay, I want to put it on before we have you let's see if we can see them. Whoop. Oh, he's hiding. Okay, this is, oh, there he is, right there in the background. Let me see if I can make it bigger. No, gonna have to look really close. Right in the back. That is the grackle that I've spoken a lot of. So, welcome to the birds that I've experienced in the Northeast and the Southwest. This will be a topic for the water cooler. So, remember to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.